Hello, fellow art lovers. Today we're going to draw a log cabin scene. For this project you'll need just a regular pencil, an eraser, and any type of paper. Pause the video now and get your supplies if you don't have them already. Let's start by making an outline of our cabin. Make the top of the door and the top of the window at the same level. The same log will go across the top of both of them. Pause the video at any point you need to work on your drawing. We'll add boards to the door and the roof. Add logs across the front of the log cabin. I'll speed up this section because you'll get the hang of it in a minute. When you're ready, pause the video and draw in the boards and the logs. Put some shading on the top and bottom of the logs. Leave the center of each log a lighter shade. Now put some lines in the boards on your door. Darken in the window panes since we can't see into the cabin from where we're standing. Put some lines onto the boards of the roof. Now let's draw in a pine tree on the left side of the scene. Start the base of the tree about halfway up the side of the cabin. This gives the illusion that the tree is further away from us than the front of the cabin. Then draw in the branches. A tip to remember is that some of the branches are coming towards us. We easily remember to draw in the branches that go out to the sides, but we need to also draw in the branches that are coming towards us. These branches hide the trunk. If there are fewer branches on a particular tree, some of the trunk would show through in those few places. Now let's draw in 3 pine trees behind the cabin. They should be different sizes to add interest. Leave a space between the second and third tree. We'll put a chimney in that space. Now let's draw a second large pine tree on the right side. Start the base of this tree lower on the page, below the bottom of the cabin. This gives the illusion that this tree is closer to us than the front of the cabin. Let's make an effort to have some of the ends of the branches overlap the front of the cabin. Let's give the cabin a chimney with smoke coming out of it. The chimney is stovepipe black metal, so let's make it dark. You might like trying to use the side of your pencil to make the smoke. Now let's add some shadow in front and at the side of the cabin. Add a path from the cabin door coming towards us. This path helps the viewer's eye to be led into the drawing toward the cabin, which is the focal point of the drawing. Add shadow in front of the trunks of the pine trees. Add some grass or shadow in the yard to break up the whiteness of the paper. Now it's time for last-minute details and to add more contrast in our cabin scene. Pause the video anytime you need to work on your drawing. Smooth out the path and the smoke with your finger or a tissue wrapped around your finger. Darken the window pane a bit more. Put in a few more lines in the logs and the boards. Put a hint of scrubby grass in the yard to break up the plainness of those areas. Darken the metal of the chimney to add a bit more contrast. Add 3 birds in the sky. Here, I'm emphasizing that the tree that is nearest to us has branches that are coming out in front of the cabin. So there we have it. Pause the video and add any last-minute details you want to your drawing. Let's add a frame and see how the drawing looks when it's framed. Let's add our signatures inside the frame. And we're done. Good job, everyone. You're invited to post your drawing on my Facebook page. The link to that is in the description. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Contact me anytime by email at elaine@skillfulartist.com. Also check out my YouTube channel for other drawing lessons. See you there.